What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another PlayStation tips and tricks video. Today, we're actually going to be talking about a very big mistake that a lot of times goes overlooked by the average user, and it has to do with your PlayStation and surge protectors. And I'm sure that most of you all probably have one of these for your gaming setup. If not, I highly recommend investing in one. But the big oversight with these devices actually has to do with how long you've owned your surge protector, because unfortunately, these things do not last forever, and some people make the mistake of using the same surge protector for years and years and years to come without knowing if their surge protector is still even capable of protecting their expensive equipment. So a very easy tip that I recommend everyone try is to take a look at your surge protector, and you should be able to locate a very small LED light that says protected. And if the light is still on, that means your surge protector is still functioning properly. But over time, if excessive surges occur, eventually this light will extinguish and it will be time for a replacement. Otherwise, you're going to risk damaging your PlayStation, your gaming monitor, an expensive TV, really anything that's plugged in. Now, what if your surge protector does not have a protected light, or maybe it just has a ground light, or maybe it has no lights at all, like this one here? Well, my advice is to get rid of it and invest in a surge protector that actually indicates whether or not your equipment is being protected. Now, this one here is by APC, and this is a great example of a quality surge protector by a reputable company. Triplight is another great brand that I recommend as well. But if you want to pick one of these up, I will have an Amazon affiliate link in the video description box below where you can buy one of these if you want to help support the channel. Also, with any surge protector, if it does come with a warranty card, make sure that you fill it out and make sure that you make a copy for your records and then fax it as well as mail it to the company. So if God forbid something does happen, you can, of course, protect yourself. So the moral of the story is use protection, especially if you've got expensive equipment like a PlayStation, and make sure that you know for a fact that your surge protector can still perform its job. But there you guys have it. I hope that you all appreciated this video and found it useful. If you did, make sure to leave a like rating, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.